How to update your Apple Watch to watchOS 11.1. So in here, 11.1 is the latest version of the Apple Watch as of now in October 2024. So first, let's go back to the main screen by pressing on the crown button. This will take you back to the main watch face. From here, press on the crown button to go into the apps screen. In here, you want to scroll around. So scroll around and then tap on the settings icon. In settings, we scroll down and then tap on general. Next, tap on software update. And if the watch detected that there are newer version of the software, then there is an update button that you can tap on it. At the moment, it is trying to download the update here. It is around 2 hours to 2.5 hours. Now, another way to do it is on your iPhone. So on the iPhone, if you have paired your Apple Watch with the iPhone, you can go to the connected iPhone and then open up your Apple Watch app from the library. In here, scroll down, then tap on General, then tap on Software Update, and then scroll down and then tap on the Update button. Now, once you tap on the Update button on your iPhone, the download will mirror to your Apple Watch, and on your Apple Watch also it will show a download status. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.